Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to disable the VS Code extensions update auto update feature, which is by default there inside VS Code. So if you install any extension, by default it will be automatically be updated whenever a new version is available. So if you want to disable this functionality, then you can actually go to this option right here, manage, and then go to this settings option. And after going to settings right here, there will be this feature right here. Just go to features, and inside this you will go to extensions. So just go to extensions, and right in the right hand side corner you will see this. By default it will be check mark auto check updates. So when enabled, automatically checks extensions for updates. If an extension has an update, it is marked as outdated, and these updates are fetched from a Microsoft online service. So now to disable this, you simply untick this mark right here, and also right in the auto update section, if you see, it controls the automatic update behavior of extensions. So here all the extensions are selected by default, but you can enable extensions, only certain extensions you can enable, or you can disable everything by putting none right here. So now just change this to none and untick this option. That's all that you need to do, and then you can restart your VS Code and restart this to apply the changes. That's all that you need to do, and now your extensions will not be automatically be updated, and you need to manually click the update button to actually, let's suppose a new version is available, you click the update button, and then only the update will happen. So here you can review the changes here. So you will see update, would you like to update the extension, and then you can manually just press the update button, so it will now install this. So in this way you can disable this functionality. Again, if you want to auto check updates, you again tick mark this, again you select all extensions. That's all that you need to do. Very simple. So you can even, if you are not getting this option, again you simply go to extensions right here, sorry, go to settings, and right here in the search bar just type here extensions auto update. So as soon as you type this, you will see this setting will appear right here below, and then also you can untick and select none from here. So this will also apply this setting to this VS Code environment, and it will disable all the extensions automatically updating setting. And as soon as you do this, it will add this inside your user settings JSON file, these two settings. You can open this settings.json file, just add these two settings. If you don't want to do the previous thing, you can also add this code, add these two properties, extensions.auto check updates to false, extensions.auto update to false. So this will also do the same thing. So simply copy this code if you don't want to do the previous thing. So in this easy way you can disable the VS Code extensions automatic update feature. Thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.